Okay guys, now we will learn about how to use order by clause in MySQL. So we will take this example again. We will go at the employee table and right and click on this link. So we have a table having the employee ID as a column, first name, last name, age and department name. So now we will sort we will order by, we will use order by we will sort this by order by age and execute this query. So now we can see that the list or the table is sorted or ordered by age. By default it is in ascending order. So we have sorted this table by age, order by age. So we have the Preeti Gupta whose age is 22, and we have the Aman Jain whose age 38. Means this is arranged in the ascending order. If we insert DESC at the end, so let's see what happened. And boom, in this way we can sort this table order by age in descending order. So we have Charan Singh whose age is 36, and this table is arranged in a descending order. Okay, now I will just arrange this table with two columns, with two columns. Now first of all we will arrange this table by age and comma, then first name. See, we have the Charan Singh age 36 and Aman as age 36. So now we will arrange, first of all we will arrange this table order by age in descending order. So this will shortlist like this. Then we will arrange the table as first name. So let's see what happened in ascending order. Okay, select this, execute the query. Now see the difference. In our earlier table we have Charan Singh at the top with the age of 36. Now we have Aman Jain at the top with the age of 36. So firstly it has short the table order by age. According to age, this has sorted the table. Then according the first name in ascending order, this table has been sorted. So in this way we can use order by clause in MySQL. Thank you.